Battery saving in Waze. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this update, I'll show how to activate power saving in Waze. It's a battery-hungry app, but enabling this feature can save power. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making helpful content for you. Alright folks, let's go. It's quick and easy. Open Waze, tap the three lines up top, then hit Settings. In Settings, look for the Battery Saver option. Under Battery Saver, flip this toggle switch on. This enables battery saving for your current trip. You can also set it to turn on automatically by tapping here. There's even an option to use battery saver while charging. With this on, Waze saves power even when plugged in. Got it everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care everyone. God bless. Thanks.